This is Lucy. Lucy's been an IPC with Morinda since 2001, and she's doing quite well.
Well, yeah, you can tell by my awesome hat.
But Lucy hasn't always been this successful. A few years ago, Lucy discovered the secret to long-term financial success: Unilevel commissions. By helping her downline build their businesses, she was able to build her business. Let's take a look at how all of this happened. Meet Dan. He's the key to Lucy's success.
I am?
See, Dan's an IPC in Lucy's organization. Because Lucy is an active IPC who purchases at least 30 QV in product every month, whenever Dan makes a purchase, Lucy gets paid a 1% commission. That's right. Lucy earns 1% of every product Dan buys. Now, 1% may not seem like a big deal, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Here's what makes Unilevel so great. Once Dan sponsors an IPC who makes a purchase, Dan gets 1%, and Lucy now earns 5% from that new IPC's purchase. That's because Unilevel commissions are paid through 8 levels. So the deeper you build your organization, the bigger the percentage you earn. And Lucy and Dan will continue to earn these payouts as long as they're active IPCs who purchase at least 30 QV in a month. When Lucy started to see the money roll in, it really made her think about how to build her business. She learned the same lesson that every successful IPC learns. The key to success is teaching your IPCs how to build their downline. After Lucy started helping her first level, they started helping their first levels, who in turn started helping their first levels, and a really interesting thing happened. Lucy and her organization started making a lot of money. And that's because with Unilevel commissions, the deeper you build your organization, the more commissions you earn. 1% in the first level, 5% in the second, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, all the way to 8% in the 8th level. So remember the key to Lucy's success.
Yeah, be like me.
Be an active IPC who purchases at least 30 QV in product every month. Recruit a few IPCs of your own and help them be successful by training and supporting them in their business building efforts.